Have a look at this one. This is the output research of Air Forces and also Harvard University. That's a new way to create printed flexible electronic devices. They call this new technology a hybrid 3D printing. In this method, they have a flexible substrate, and next they print on it with a silver base ink. So in the picture, this one is a flexible substrate, and that line is a silver ink. The reason that they call it hybrid is because it is made out of both solid and flexible parts. The IC is the solid part and the ink and substrate is a flexible one. Here you can see a very cool flexible sensor. This one is tracking the body temperature. It also analyzes the chemicals inside the sweat. After gathering these data, the sensor sends it to the smartphone for monitoring. That is why this one has a wireless circuit section inside it. Here we have a flexible substrate. You can imagine something like a plastic. For fabricating a circuit on it, first they place the IC. This one is a special 3D printer that it can print a conductive ink on top of the substrate. In a simple way, the process is the same as the plastic 3D printers, but instead of plastic, this one uses conductive ink. With this conductive ink, it creates a circuit connection, and here is the final product. The final sensor is placed on the flexible textile fabric. Potentially nothing is very special with this fabric. The only thing is that it is a stretchable fabric. And finally, they attach this one to the cloth. It's kind of wearable sensor. The sensor is placed in this part of the circuit. This section is a processor. There are 4 LEDs here which is placed as an indicator. Based on the strain that the sensor is measured, and next the data is sent to the processor. The processor tells each LED to turn on or off based on the strain value. In the future video, I'm gonna talk more about interesting new technologies. So follow Francium because I love to see you again. Thank you very much.